สวัสดีค่ะ I'm Gere Cooking Ambassador from Asia Scenic Thai Cooking School, Chiang Mai, Thailand. Now school open and sometimes we cook here to show everyone. And today we're gonna cook deep fried banana. Deep fried banana is not dessert or snack, whatever you call, and it's the best street food in Thailand. I'm sure everyone love it, but visit ingredient is not too complicated, but we have to use for 3 flour. The first one, tempura flour, too crispy. Tempura flour and rice flour. If you use only tempura flour, it's crispy but not too long time. But rice flour is make longer for crispy, and wheat flour to make soft. We want crispy, and after we bite it, it's soft. And then palm sugar. Actually, you can use the regular sugar cane, but palm sugar is secret. Okay, salt, sesame seed, shredded coconut, and of course banana. Banana you can use like a quite young banana, it green and a little bit yellow, or you can use very rough yellow. It's okay, but if you use a very rough banana, it's sweet, it's more sugar. But for me, I like this. It's a little bit more crispy, not too soft. Okay, and oil. Oil we use palm oil, is not make too big smoke. And water, you have to use cold water because it makes more crispy. And the first one, we start with the tempura flour. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 like this. The measure of the flour, more tempura flour, and then a little bit of rice flour. 3. This one, 1. Okay, 1 of rice flour and only half wheat flour. Okay, this one, and then water. You can see it's a bit closer. We don't add too much water. We just put a little bit. We want to make a dough first. Here. And then I will show you the magic. Okay. Make a dough. We add a little bit water. And then if it's too dry, add more water. Like this is better than you add too much water. It's difficult to turn back. See, it's getting dough. And for amount of ingredients, I will show you in description. Okay, you see our dough. It's very thick dough, and then add the palm sugar. You see, first time is quite thick dough, and then I add the palm sugar. You see what happened. You see it's getting run. Palm sugar make the dough running. Use palm sugar or coconut sugar. It's okay. Maple syrup is okay. Sugar cane, yes, it's okay, but palm sugar is the best flavor. It smells more caramel. And you see it is this lump. Like this, you have to press it. And it should be run like this. then a little bit salt, white salt. If it's sweet, we have to balance the flavor with salt. And then shredded coconut. But in your country, if you have not, okay, we put the whole thing. If you have not the shredded coconut, you can skip it, or maybe you can buy the dry one, but it's not so much flavor, but it's okay. Roasted sesame. Mix together, and then we leave it. We leave like this. And banana. Banana we peel like this and cut in 4 pieces lengthwise. We do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then you see, should be thin like this. If it's too thick, it takes time to cook. Okay, now we have to heat the oil. We do how many? We will do for 4 banana. 1, 2, 3, okay, 4, and we separate and put in the batter, but should not mash, just leave like this. 1 more. You actually use banana, use pumpkin, sweet potato, taro, whatever. But banana is original flavor. But street food in Thailand, they use banana and sweet potato. And okay, 1 more. Finish the clip, you can go to your kitchen and you can try, but I'm sure every house has banana. You have tempura flour, rice flour. If you have no shredded coconut, it's okay. Yeah, do like this. And then we check the oil. Have to check the oil first. Yeah, choose strong bubble. And then just the banana. Okay, I show you just like this first. Do it until it looks golden brown. And try to keep away from each other. When it's almost finished, we do the next one. Smell good. Can you smell? Okay, and then drain it. Look golden brown, like this. Again, Use banana, use sweet potato, pumpkin, taro, whatever. But I prefer you cook Thai food in your kitchen, not only in Thai kitchen, unless you need to stay only in Thailand. Okay, and then, you see, crispy, crispy. Then, put in here. Okay. First. Just leave like this, and then we want to taste. You see, wow, crispy. You see, I want to show the sound. Okay, before I take this first. Okay, give me put the next one. Then I will eat to show you. I want to show you the crispy sound. Okay, just leave it like this. This one, and you see, a little bit closer. Crispy, and after you bite it is soft and sweet from the banana. Lovely. This one you can serve with the ice cream, vanilla ice cream, but Thai people we eat just like this. Okay, I will turn off my camera, and then you guys back to your kitchen and try, and then if it works or not, you can leave the comments to me, and any question you can ask me. And if you travel to Thailand, don't forget to travel to Chiang Mai and come to my cooking school and cook together. Bye bye.